Here I have ZTE Blade A7 2019, and today I'm going to show you how to access developer options on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to enter about phone section, scroll down to the bottom, or no, you don't have to scroll down to the bottom, you just have to find this build number line and tap on it with your finger several times until you get the message you are now a developer. And now you can find developer options in system section, advanced, and here you have your developer options. Get access to developer options and get to know with them by yourself, and if you want to disable these options, you can disable them here and they will disappear from the settings list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.